All right, guys, before removing the engine mount on this vehicle, need to get this coolant hose off the T right here. And ride it this way, through here. And on this side, it's gonna have a 10 bolt right here. Remove that. And get you a tray, magnet tray, so you put all your bolts in there. Then, I'm gonna take a 13 and remove this bracket right here. Once you have that out your way, lift up on this tank. Let's get this hose fish through here real quick. Alright. Just like that. Make sure you don't spill anything. Place that to the side. And if your vehicle is equipped or have an engine cover, go ahead and remove that while you can. 2 10 bolts at the top. And then here's your motor mount. 16 mounting bolts. Remember the length and a 10 bolt right here. All right, after you remove your ground, place it to the side. You got, these are 16s. You got 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. And then 3 on this side. So we're gonna do 3 right here first. All right, you got a long one, medium, and a short. All right, place them right there for right now. Then 3 short ones. All right. All right. Oh, one hide right here. Oh. This last bolt on the side. Y'all see how the motor shifted. All right. So get this out of there. There you go. There's your motor mount. Same order. Get these. Get them lined up. Vehicle. Now, might have to jack the motor up a little bit. Make sure you align all your bolts where they need to go. Very important that you install the bolts first before trying to zip them in there like a lot of people do. Take you a long one. Short one. Just get them hand tight first. And thread it in. You don't want to cross thread nothing. Trying to be in a hurry. Never be in a hurry. Take your time. That way you don't have to be talking about how you can get a broken bolt out there later. Searching on YouTube. Alright. Get your gun. Turn it back down. Get your reservoir. Put your reservoir back in. Nope. We spilling coolant. About to make a mess. Don't want to make too much of a mess. Got a leaker. Go ahead and get this on there before we. Get down. 10 bolt. Get your grinder. All right. That is it, y'all. How you change the motor mount on your vehicle. Make sure y'all guys subscribe and like the channel and follow me for more. Make sure you have your post notifications on. That way you know when I get ready to drop another vehicle. Appreciate y'all watching. And till the next time, we are out.